Hello, all you QBO users. There is a brand new bill pay thing that I want to make sure that everybody's updated on. So inside of QuickBooks Online, if you are somebody who, like me, have been using Melio for years, that integration directly inside of QuickBooks Online is going away. That doesn't mean Melio is going away, so there's still the Melio green and there's still all of the features. Just log into the web browser, it's still there. But if you're somebody who wants to pay bills out of QuickBooks, what you've got is now the new integrated piece that you'll be seeing soon if you don't already, but it's going to have the same functionality as what Melio did, so you're going to be able to go into your bill pay and pay that bill, and it'll be electronic. It's just now it's going to be inside of QuickBooks, and we all kind of had a feeling that this was probably coming because it's about time. So it's all super, super great news. We all kind of win on this one, but I did want to make sure that everybody knows all those emails that you've seen, your clients have seen too. So make sure that you're checking in with them so that way they're not feeling some anxiety about their AP solution going away. There's still two different options, both great and viable. All right, I'll keep you posted on more stuff that keeps happening in QuickBooks. Bye, y'all.